You know the saying, if you love something, let it go. And if it comes back, it's meant for you. Well, I've experienced the proof that this is true. When you do something well with the right intentions and you don't push those who may not be ready, if it's right for them, they'll come back to you. No, I'm not talking about a man. I'm talking about infinite banking, also known as cash value life insurance. Without any webinars, blogs, videos, advertisement, or even conversations. Several of my past prospects have reached out to me and they're ready to get their own bank started and become their own banker. Okay, I know you're asking, what is cash value banking? Have you ever wondered how people become and stay wealthy? Now, for over 50 years, those in the know have relied on a rock-solid financial strategy called cash value banking or infinite banking. Imagine a system trusted by giants like Warren Buffett, Wal-Mart, and even Walt Disney. Now, for the past 5 years, I followed Garrett Gunderson, a guru. His newsletters, his books have taught me so much. And I've also had the privilege of studying with a certified infinite banking practitioner, which allowed me to hone my skills further. And then there's been countless other practitioners that I've read their blogs, belong to their channels, and they've contributed to my knowledge base as well. Recognizing the need for this kind of information, I guess it's time to resume sharing what I've learned with you. The magic of this strategy lies in creating your own family bank, which pays you interest at rates 5, sometimes almost up to 15 times higher than a typical bank savings account. Need a loan? Guess what? You don't need to get a credit check or explain why to get your loan. It's not required. Plus, you can earn from repaying your loan since you are the bank. You can use it for anything, your child's education, launching a business, getting out of debt, investing in cryptocurrency. You determine how you want to invest based on your DNA. Are you intrigued? Ready to dive in? It's simple. Follow me for more information on this outstanding way to gain independence and build your wealth. Bye now.